Hello everybody, let's make floral bottle. So this is my homemade air dry clay. I have rolled it with rolling pin and we are going to cut a broad strip of it with this knife. With the help of white glue, we are pasting it at the bottom side of the bottle. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. We are going to make straight lines on it when it is wet with the help of molding tools. We are going to make scratches on it with molding tools because we want a wooden texture. This small piece of air dry clay we are pasting at the top of the bottle. This is the piece of the net. We are hooking all these artificial flowers in it, and you can see how I am fixing them so that they will not move. You have to do like this. Wherever you want, you can also add artificial leaves. It will only beautify it. Once it is done, it will look like this front and back. Now the clay is dry, so we are coloring it with black acrylic color. Always great for a YouTuber when subscribers are increased and people are watching their videos, enjoying their videos. So if you are really enjoying it, then please share your love by subscribing to my channel. Coloring the top with sky blue color. On on black color, we are also highlighting all these lines and scratches with metallic color, so it will look like a wooden platform. At the top side, I am sticking or pasting decoupage paper. This is tissue paper, and I am pasting it with homemade Mod Podge. With the help of hot glue, I am pasting this net on the bottle. You have to press it properly so it will stick and it will not fall out. Tie a simple satin ribbon, make a bow of it. It will look amazing. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.